The spare car that belonged to Lake's family was cramped, noisy and old. It was an ancient rectangular thing that resembled a Lego car. Rachel always hated riding in it. "Why won't you get yourself a decent motor?" she argued. "Shut up, Rachel, I'm trying to concentrate." Lake and Rachel had followed Daniel from his office car park. They had skulked around near the entrance, ready to pounce, but initially had a problem starting the Micra. This had darkened Rachel's mood even further, but once they were on the road, they soon caught sight of his dark blue Mercedes sports car and followed him through the slow traffic. They kept their distance, tucked away behind several vehicles. He drove out of the city centre and traced the roads northwards. Then he went northwest to the outskirts of Grifton. Rachel tutted and rolled her eyes when she saw that the red petrol gauge light on the dashboard had flicked on.